angitholi alento ikwaito ntwana yami angitholi siyela ngizoqondisa igwegwe hayi kwaito lentele ngizoqondisa Firstly, I write it to keys ukhabazela. Secondly, put the respect on the name you play kings of khahlela isifuba. Thirdly, abakini bazocula amagugu. Ngithi firstly, I write it to keys ukhabazela. Secondly, put the respect on the name you play kings of khahlela isifuba. Thirdly, abakini bazocula amagugu. Ngiyakubona unendelelo sokukhahlela isifuba. Sokuthele nkamunwabo nangesomnyama uyayihlokoloza semgodini kanti uthini ngobro betha mindazone P Davis ongatholi ipiki emdidi ngiyakubona umlomo wakho manzi ubusabone ngizobreak ivirginity sukela ulindelana emkhize kanti bowulindeleni awuthi ngikuthathe ngikufake through a dream uzovuka emotional ima-IC soon as label pulls back uzophenduka i-backpack a-tourist back home bro laid the foundations when you're just renting your home. You came off the net tryna play with the vets. Respect ayithengiswa mfana omncane cut the checks. Nale 99 elimambula phezu kwama-beats while pro painted the streets. Every line was a sermon, every bar was a feast. He gave hope to get or turn pain into pride. Heritage in heartbeat, the rhyme on die. This is culture, not TikTok, don't compare to Delela my legend, boy, that is a suicide note. Better humble up quick before your wave can float. I'm the rapper on wax, I will dismantle your name. Zulu in my bloodline, I switch flows like a coat. Zokufika lo mlomo, leave you stuck on the road. Inhlonipho to the legend, that crown locked tight. You chasing quick hype, I'm protecting the light. Amagama pro raised the soldiers, gave the block education. When I tracks raise followers with no dedication. You chasing the cloud, I'm chasing the legacy, no hesitation.
Bro, danke sir.